Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to monetize Instagram Reels. So let's start. I'm here on Instagram, so let's go to our profile and then let's go to the three lines on the top right corner. So just click there and then let's go to the settings and privacy. Okay, so let's go here and let's scroll down and you have to first change your this account. Okay, so you have to change it and account type and tools and then just switch to professional account. So just click on next and you can click here on whatever you want, digital creator, switch to professional account and then just click on creator and now. Okay, so just click on close it and now your account is completely to professional account. Then let's go again to the three lines and then scroll down and let's go to creator tools and controls here. As you can see here, we have different options, so you have to go to the monetization status. So just click here and you will find here that you are able to monetize on your account. So when you do it, you have the possibility to upload a reel, and if the reel has a lot of views, probably you can monetize the reel. So that's how it works. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.